almost no other industries have that, where you can hurt as many people as you want and nobody can do anything about it. That's where we are. And so I'm hopeful that other countries will not accept the terrible regime that we set up.
Have you spoken with, for example, Mark Zuckerberg?
Yes.
Montreal is asking people to be patient as it tries to get rid of piles of snow from two back-to-back snowstorms. Environment Canada says about 40 centimeters fell in the Montreal area yesterday, on top of another 35 centimeters late last week. Environment Canada has issued a blizzard warning for the Gaspé region, which can get between 40 and 70 centimeters of snow. Daycare workers from some 400 CPEs are off the job today. It's the third of 5 approved strike days with the CSN-affiliated Health and Social Services Federation. Salaries are the main sticking point. 2 other unions representing public daycare workers in Quebec already struck a deal with the government. And Canada faces a virtual must-win today to advance to the final of the inaugural 4 Nations Face-Off Hockey Tournament. Victory over Finland in regulation to secure 3 points to ensure their berth in the final against the Americans on Thursday. Puck drop is today, just after 1 p.m. Eastern Time in Boston. In the weather forecast for Montreal today, some blowing snow, a high of -10. The wind chill will make it feel like -23 degrees today. In Quebec City, snow and blowing snow in the forecast. 2 more centimeters of snow predicted. We'll see the temperature steady near -13. It will feel like -20 this morning and then -27.